As technology continues to reshape the landscape of work, remote IT teams play an increasingly critical role in driving innovation and maintaining operational efficiency. But how do these professionals stay ahead of the curve? Welcome to Ask HR Plus, the premier destination for your HR-related inquiries. I'm Edward Obi, Director of HR Plus, and I'll be your trusted guide through the intricate world of human resources. Whether you're an employer, manager, or employee seeking guidance, this segment is designed to provide you with accurate, insightful, and practical solutions to your HR challenges. Let's explore the training and development opportunities available for remote IT teams. Remote IT teams play a crucial role in today's digital landscape, but staying up to date with the latest technologies and trends is essential for their success. Let's explore the diverse range of training and development options tailored specifically for these teams. Now, the first one is online learning platforms. We have online learning platforms such as Coursera and LinkedIn Learning. These platforms offer an extensive array of courses covering programming languages, cybersecurity, and more, all accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Vendor-specific training. Companies like Microsoft and Cisco provide specialized training programs and certifications tailored to their products. These programs equip remote IT teams with in-depth knowledge and skills necessary to excel in their roles. Virtual workshops and webinars. Another valuable resource for remote IT professionals is virtual workshops and webinars. Organizations like TechTarget host virtual events covering topics ranging from DevOps to artificial intelligence, fostering interactive learning and networking opportunities. Then you get the internal training initiatives. Many companies implement internal training initiatives, including mentorship programs and knowledge-sharing sessions. These initiatives promote collaboration and skill development within remote IT teams, ensuring they remain at the forefront of industry advancements. And that concludes today's episode of Ask HR Plus. If you have any question or topics you'd like us to explore, feel free to reach out. And lest I forget, at HR Plus, we offer a wide variety of online courses that will benefit your team. All you need to do, go to the description, you'll see the link, and then click on it. Until next time, keep investing in your team's growth and development.